Hello, teacher.
So you stand up. Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Now I want us to sing a song. Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Eyes, ears, nose and mouth.
Eyes, ears, nose and mouth.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Eyes, ears, nose and mouth.
Eyes, ears, nose and mouth.
Good. Sit down. Thank you. You sit upright. Now, it is time for environmental. It is time for? It is time for? Leo, today we want to learn nose cleaning. Nose? Nose? Can you touch your nose? Say, my nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Good. So, tunataka kujifunza namna ya kusafisha. How to clean our nose. How to clean our nose. How to clean our nose. Now, what is this? What is this? What is this? Good. So, there are some of the things that we use for cleaning our nose. There are some of the things that we use to clean our nose. And one of it, we use a handkerchief. We use a handkerchief. What is this? Handkerchief. What is this? Handkerchief. Shaina, can you give me your handkerchief? Yeah. Everybody should have his or her own handkerchief. You should be having this handkerchief. You must be having this what? A handkerchief. For you to be clean. For you to be clean. Good. So we use a handkerchief to clean our nose. We use a handkerchief to clean our nose. Are we together? Now you sit upright. Now everybody should be having a handkerchief. Everybody should having what? You should be having a handkerchief. Now, hii handkerchief, wakati mwingine inakuwa chafu. Inakuwa nini? Chafu. We are supposed to wash our handkerchief. You are supposed to wash your handkerchief. You are supposed to wash your handkerchief. Now, now, this is my handkerchief. This is my This is my handkerchief. This is my handkerchief. Now, this handkerchief, sometimes it is dirty, sometimes it is dirty. So we are supposed to wash this handkerchief. You are supposed to wash this handkerchief. Now, what do we use for washing our handkerchief? What do we use for washing our handkerchief? Number one, you need a soap. You need what? You need a soap. We all need a soap. We all need what? Soap. What is this?
Soap.
What is this?
Soap.
How do we call soap in Somali? Huh? So we need a soap. We need a soap. We need what? We need what? Soap. We also need clean water. We also need what? We need what? We need clean water. Clean water. Clean. We need also clean water. We need what? Clean water. Clean water. Clean. Clean. And lastly, we also need a basin. We need what? We need what? Basin. A basin. We need what? We need what? We need what? So hii basin ndio tunaweka hapa ndani handkerchief ambayo iko na maji, ambayo iko na sabuni. Are we together? And then we wash our handkerchief. You wash your handkerchief. You are supposed to wash your handkerchief so that it becomes clean like this for the teacher. Tunaona ya teacher ni safi? Tunaona ya teacher ni safi? Yako pia ni safi? Yes. So you are supposed to tell your mom to give you a handkerchief. Clap your hands. Now stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. So today we have learned nose cleaning. We have learned what?
Nose cleaning.
We have learned what?
Nose cleaning.
Now what is this?
Nose.
What is this?
Nose.
What is this?
Handkerchief.
What is this?
Handkerchief.
What is this?
Soap.
What is this?
Soap.
What is this?
Water.
What is this?
Clean water.
What is this?
Clean water.
Now what is this?
Basin.
What is this?
Basin.
Basin. What is this?
Basin.
What is this?
Basin.
Now I want us to sing that song. Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Eyes, ears, nose and mouth.
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 Okay, bye bye. See you in the next lesson.